Hey, Nickie Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. And speaking of having a good day, we are having some of the Garden Veggie Morningstar Veggie Burgers. If I'm not mistaken, this is the brand that Blimpie used, but Blimpie no longer has their Veggie Max, and I was in the mood for a Veggie Max, so I went out and decided to get the ingredients to make my own. So I have my burger cooking now. And this is not a sponsored ad, but I did shop at Kroger. And you can see the rolls were $1.99. It was a 4-pack of rolls. And here is my roll. I have some Roma tomatoes. I just bought 2 of those. And some frozen fruit to make a smoothie. They were on sale. And I spent a total of $15.35. So I'm going to have smoothie, veggie burger, and yeah, I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. So first we're going down with our vegan mayo. Okay, next we put down our spinach and tomatoes, and we're going to season it with a little bit of salt on the veggies and pepper. I needed 2 hands. Now we're going to put our veggie burger on top. Okay, now we're going to add a little Earl and vinegar. Okay, I also added some Dijon mustard and some cayenne pepper. And here we are. Gonna close it on up and cut it in half. And there we are. And if you don't like spinach or tomatoes, just add whatever vegetables you do like. If you like kale, if you like collard greens, you know, just make whatever substitutions you want on your burger. And now let's do the smoothie. Okay, so this is the smoothie mix we're using: mango, banana, and strawberry blend, and some peaches. I forgot to get some walnuts or almonds to make my nut milk. And I don't have any juice, so it's fine. We'll just use water and it'll still be good. So I'm going to put these in my blender cup here. And I'll be back. Okay, these are 16-ounce bags. And again, they are on sale at Kroger. No, this is not a paid advertisement. But just to show you, this is how much I've put in my blender cup, and I still have more than enough to make at least 2 to 3 smoothies out of this bag. And the same with this, whether I blend them together or not. I can make a smaller smoothie, a larger smoothie, whatever I like. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay, and that's how much water I added. I may have put a little bit too much, but it's fine. I don't mind a watery smoothie. But if it's too watery, I'll just add more fruit. And if you want to put a little bit of a tang, add a little tang to your smoothie, you can always add lemon or lime juice. It actually turned out perfect, so I love to use my mason jars. So I'm just gonna pour that in there. Oh man, overboard. Okay, let me clean up my mess. Okay, here we go. And if you feel like your smoothie is not sweet enough for you, I like to add agave or maple syrup. However, you can add whatever sweetener you choose. So this is lunch. And of course, you can have this for dinner as well if you'd like. Hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.